We want to trust that our food that we consume, and we want to trust that the food that our pets consume is safe and is not going to be harmful to them.
Your furry friend could be sick from the dog food you're feeding them, and you might not even know it. Some dog food brands are being pulled from store shelves after traces of a drug used to euthanize animals turned up in the food. Valley News Team's Melanie Palmer has more on what you need to know when buying dog food so you can protect your pet.
That's an unacceptable thing to have in any of the food supplies.
Dog owners, beware. Traces of pentobarbital, a drug typically used to euthanize animals, is being found in common dog food choices like Gravy Train. So what exactly does that mean?
It's coming from animals that are euthanized. Horses, cows, typically cattle.
Veterinarian Dr. Kevin Dill says those animals are making their way back into the food chain. But Dill tells us the drug is being found in small traces. And if you have already fed your dog these affected brands of food, he says not to worry too much.
Once that food's eliminated and that medicine is eliminated, then there should be no long-lasting effects.
But he does suggest to start looking for other options. So that's what we did.
Primal is a wonderful product.
We stopped by Natural Pet Center in Fargo, and the owner tells us finding the right ingredients is important, but she says you really need to check out the reputation of the company making it.
The care that they put into their products is really key in choosing a quality food.
And when reading the back of the packages or cans, Smith says to make sure the first couple ingredients include meat. But when it comes to finding the right dog food, she says you get out what you're putting in.
If you want them to be healthy, it really pays to put that extra thought and maybe a couple extra dollars into your pet's food.
Through our research, we found the affected kinds of food, such as Gravy Train, have not been officially recalled. And that's why Dr. Dill says to stay away from this dog food until everything is figured out. In Fargo, Melanie Palmer, Valley News Live.
Dr. Dill also says this drug is, since it's typically used on cows, it wouldn't hurt to stay away from beef-based dog foods. And he tells us you can stay up to date on all the latest recalls or dog food alerts on the FDA's website. You can find a link to that on our website, valleynewslive.com.